video going.
They picked a good spot to stop. There's some nice houses around here. Oh, this is gonna be.
Well, then you picked a good one. Yeah. People in for that. We're not stopping for a while. We have to go back. We're going to stop 1 year to go down. Boy, we think it's all fine.
There was like.
I'm not coming.
It's weird. I've never done this track. The first trip in the morning.
Oh yeah, it's really nice.
It's like a 5 a.m. No, there is.
Hey, you can't take a picture. You gotta pay the $60.
Every day.
Somebody got on. It was.
Oh, here's Woodland.
Classic Bluebird school bus.
Oh, nice.
I was the one last time I ever here by a truck.
You'll see trucks carting about axles and wheels and stuff too.
And then I got everybody back on without coming back here. And then I asked Steve.
I guess we're going back on the.
That was, it must have been having to shoot it for conversation.
I love the photos. You can see the shadow of the trolley pole.
Like they let us run in, and we had a see, and I didn't have to put up a boat one. That was the most bizarre.
Yeah, we should. When we get off the trolley, we should talk to the voucher and see if we can get a picture.
Yeah, somewhere. We did a charter. Not even open yet. Oh, it's just more than one?
That's awesome.
No, we didn't go.
Oh, it just like came along. Yeah, while we've been around. That's cool. That's awesome.
I've seen them running around the block. Yeah, they got to be real careful. They have a tendency to climb out in special work.
Yeah, that big circus is.
You take it into the heavy overhaul shop, go up on the jack, go back down. Go over the
Oh, that's big. That's the one time on the Millennial Trains Project private car trip, I got to line in the dome through a train walk.
Oh, nice.
awesome. I swear.
I went to a cake
You have a need to. Told me about that. At first I was like,
Alright, we're going into the heavy overhaul.
So great.
There,
First off, fuck you.
There,
Second off, thank you.
There.
Alright.
We clean here. What do we do? We just stop this on there.
Is that the same pickup as they called us before?
Unless we go to Yale and back from parking.
Look at that little arrows.
Oh my gosh, look at that. There's some streets like that in Baltimore. Shit, should have gotten a photo of that. Ah, Street View. Street View will have it.
Is this guy up?
Yeah.
Greylock Street.
Friends from New York. Yeah.
Yeah, kind of. This is the funniest picture anyone's ever taken. This is great. I literally held the photo and was like, exactly.
Hey, we're going back.
I put the raw photos in the chat, yeah. That's amazing.
There's so many unanswered questions.
Remember all the videos from like you'll see the house right now. It's been 12 minutes. It's a crazy idea. Oh, the evolution of a house. Oh, that's very interesting. Oh, right, see the ghost of the original back front porches. That's nifty as hell. Oh, you can tell they used to, right, that's stucco, so there used to be something else on this.
Where they put all the stuff annoying now.
So I think you only see a stucco side like that when, like, they tear down like half of the house, because that's just kind of like a stopgap measure where they put a line wall up. So this must have been a twin, but it also must have been expanded a little. That's the silhouette of the old house that basically is wild back porches. Expanded the front. That's phenomenal. This shop owner understood the assignment.
Right now.
Yes.
Bill, there is a train coming right now. Can we get out? I don't think we both work that in. Well, I will work it.
Total stop is going to be a quick stop.
See the train? Man, I'm gonna say this is a yep, there it is. Firm request from me.
Oh,
Yeah, exactly. Now that you make your PC, what do we do the CC one eventually? When they get the PCs up and running,
maybe. At PCC, maybe.
I mean, yeah, PCC. Well, I was just in San
Can't wait to see the
Francisco,
PCC 3.
Yeah, well, I was like,
Oh wait, we're going deeper into west. I didn't realize it was on the
Yeah, we're going to the mountain.
I had a horrible dream that I went to Atlanta and all the new Saddler equipment was already in service. I had a dream where I went to Atlanta and all the new Saddler equipment was in service, and they're all trapezoidal. It was a weird dream. I'm sitting there like people got excited for this. It would literally imagine like something like a bridge, like it looked like a small like a turtle shell R40 slant, but with a weird open gangway between them. Literally, this was in a dream. I was just thinking like that's not a good design at all. But they aren't real because it's a dream.
It's 2 hours. This is the they need to break away from their own
I stayed 3 nights, 6 hours. Yeah, I thinking about that. Maybe we'll see that third night. That's a trade. Yeah, it's serving the needs of your people. Hashtag flyer.
I have photos of all these junctions, but like they're all in bad weather. Every time I do this my trip,
It's also here.
every time I do like a subway circus run, it's always awful weather. Or gray, rainy.
Yeah, they had the MLK statue on it with each
Their cops too. Yeah, I know.
Have you seen the California Metropolitan Metro? I swear I've seen those. Visit Baltimore my year.
New York advertising. We advertise a little bit too much New York in New York.
The 13 is like jogs.
Oh yeah. All right, we go all over.
But they were going for the cross-platform one.
We do Mount Moriah, we'll have to come back this way.
George!
Rarest
Yeah,
ever.
Channel George. George was like, oh, flip it.
One thing about this excursion,
This was on my trip this year, went out to eat.
And you're good for the trip in Electric City. I mean, I know people are on the first one.
Why do they call it Electric City? Wouldn't it be Coal City? Anthracite City?
Scranton, I think, was one of the first cities to get electricity.
Oh.
When I was at the controlling museum, the guy, I can't remember his name, but he like, does the shows over here now. Just telling you about the shows from Scranton. There's no West Scranton. There's no overhead. There's no overhead. It's a donation to them. They run the charter. They get the awesome. The first city that we kick in. They developed the city there.
I understand what you mean.
Yeah. So there's 10 people there. Electric City. People think they're Richmond.
stories about how this loop was used for charters for funerals.
I think Billy had a funeral car. Really? That's pretty cool. Bethel. Was it only be for like workers or would it be? No, I think you can charter it if you're at the cemetery.
For this loop, you not only risk de-wiring, but derailment.
SEPTA does not have the right way to use that part of the cable to make it a lot better. It's must be like the right way to use the cemetery.
This is the radius of curve that got the Type 8s in trouble.
Oh, that's very cool.
One of the reasons that the T demolished Beechmere is because Beechmere has the tightest radius curve that was restricted to Type 7s only.
Oh, yeah, of course.
So by